A common problem with your trunk filler panel is that over the years it can get rusty and or damaged. In many cases you'll be able to simply cut out the rusted or damaged portion and weld in a patch panel. It can save time and money in your restoration. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1969 Chevelle inner trunk filler panels. This is the inner panel that continues down from the trunk pan to the bottom of the quarter panel behind the rear wheel. Usually needs replacing with the outer lower panel behind the rear wheel well. Each panel is manufactured from 20 gauge steel and using case hardened steel tooling for accuracy and authentic fit. They feature the correct contours, mounting holes, and channels where applicable. At the end of the production line, each panel is finished with an electrodeposit primer, also known as an EDP coating. EDP coatings are used to protect against rust and corrosion, so you have ample time to prep and paint your part without worrying about potential rust. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.